On YouTube, welcome back to another video with the House Money Investing channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over my Ametitrade account. If you like this type of content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell if you want to follow my journey. I do have 12 brokerages that I display on this channel, and I am 100% transparent with all 12 brokerages, showing my buys, my sells, my gains, my losses, my deposits, withdrawals. I also analyze stock 7 days a week, so I'm constantly giving out stock picks every day, along with showing daily content like price movements, stock news, daily gains, and things of that nature. On this channel particularly, I'm doing a house money investing challenge, which is basically me putting capital into the market and then for a set number of days, and then withdraw my capital out, leaving just my gains in the market. Started this challenge back in June, and I've accumulated over $12,500 worth of free shares. There's also a link in the below. If you click on the links, you got Robinhood, Webull, Moomoo, and M1 Finance. You can get up to 7 free stocks valued up to $1,400. So let's jump into it. As you can see here, my account value at the moment is $1,490.86. So we'll go ahead and look at some of the positions we got here, starting from the best to the worst. My top performer is AJRD. I got 2 shares at $53.38. They're valued at $106.76. So I have a total gain of $21.17. It is up 24.73%. Then I got Blink. I got 1 share at $50.19. Total gain is $13.56. It is up 37.01%. Then I got Switchback Energy. It is up $8.34. A total gain of $23.86. Then I got Virgin Galactic, 1 share, total gain of $7.51. It is up 31.03%. Then I got CRISPR. It's up $4.90. Total gain of 13.24. Then I got PSTH up $4.74, total gain of 18.96. Then I got Revolve up $4.10, up 13.11%. Then I got SPYD up $1.96, up 5.97%. Then I got SPYV up $1.45, up 4.26%. Then I got GEM up $1.38, up 3.54%. Then I got Triple QJ up $1.28, up 4.06%. Then I got Exxon up 79 cents, up 1.63%. Then I got Aflac up 43 cents, up 0.94%. Then I got AMWL up 3 cents, up 0.11. Then I got Walgreens up 47 cents, up 0.96%. Then I got THNQ up 20 cents, up 0.48%. Then I got XSLV up 17 cents, up 40%. Then I got Work up 8 cents, up 19%. Then I got SCHO, pretty much hasn't moved. Then I got HYLB down 2 cents, down 4%. Then I got CIBR down 21 cents, down 46%. Then I got AT&T down 26 cents, down 0.92%. Then I got PIC down 43 cents, down 1.05%. Then I got Leg down 55 cents, down 1.23%. Then we got Twitter down $1.29, down 2.68%. Then we got PLTR down $1.41, down 5.39%. Then we got LPLN down $2.98, down 27.77%. Then we got MP Materials down $3.41, down 9.14%. Then we got Liado down $3.33, down 8.43%. Then we got Romeo down $14.71, is down 39.76%. And my biggest loser is Hyliion, which is down $34.53, down a whopping 66.40%. So as you can see here, my total portfolio says I'm up $444.96, up 42.52%. But that's just calculating deposits and withdrawals and stuff and like that. I would have to say, I'm probably up a little bit. I really don't know. I can add it up. So you got 33 plus 8, 41, 48, 52, 56, 58, 59, 60, 61, $62, right? minus 34, which is 28, minus 14 is 14, minus 3 is 11, minus 3 is 8, minus 2 is 6, 5, 4. So I'm up about $4. And that's basically due to Hyliion. I bought Hyliion back when it was, what was the ticker? SHLL. That's when the ticker was. I bought it back then, and it's been doing bad. So I'm waiting on that to bounce back. And I bought Romeo back when it was RMG, and it's doing bad as well. So those two are really weighing down my portfolio. But as you can see, overall, I'm up. You know, I got a nice little balance here so far, and you know, I'm just gonna let it ride out and see what happens. I'll keep adding to it. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Hit that like button if you like this content. Subscribe. Hit that bell. I would really appreciate it. See you in the next one.